Hi everyone. Um, so one of our viewers requested me to prepare a video on the process of importing an ICEM CFD file, or you can say simply the geometry file that has already been prepared in ICEM CFD, that is to be imported into SpaceClaim so the meshing process can be accelerated, because as you all know that for Fluent Mesher it is easy to import SpaceClaim files, and it's like it's good so that geometry properties don't get distorted. So it's like the reverse process of importing SpaceClaim geometry file to ICEM CFD that I made a video on already. I have that video. You can watch it and get to know what I'm talking about. So, not wasting the time, the process is to go to File and say Open. Click over Open, and then, as you already know, that Fluent Mesher, not Fluent Mesher, the ICEM CFD, the software, it generates the default geometry file in tin file format, .tin. So of course we're gonna change this from the drop down menu, and we select this .tin format, and it is available here, ICEM CFD .tin format. As I click over here, you'll find it here. If you don't have the, you might have different directories, so just locate that directory by using, something like by clicking over the right directory. You can go to the specific folder, and then you can find that tin file. So I have here, I'm going to click over here. I can simply double click over here to import, or say, single click and then say open. So it will be imported here. As you can see, all of the boundaries, if you haven't made them, then there will be a boundary condition available here. So you can prepare them. You know how to prepare that. I'm going to tell you if you don't know. If you simply get to you get the file imported here, and you don't have any boundary, you haven't prepared the parts of the geometry. So what you can do is you simply click over any part, any surface. So it's like you click somewhere here. As I click here, so it will be highlighted, and press Control G button, Control plus G. So as I click over here, it will be, some group 1 will be highlighted. It's a new part. I can just change its name as per my convenience, say part 1, and say hit enter. So this will become the part of that part 1. It has become the part 1. The same way you can name all the boundaries, but as I already am having these parts, so I'll just simply save it, file, and save or save as. I'm going to save as, and then I can locate the right directory. Can name it, let's say F, or simply I'm going to name it as geometry 1, and then you can see that .scdoc file is preparing. So you can save it simply and then use it later on whatever you require. So I'm going to cancel because I already have SpaceClaim document file. I'm going to cancel this. So that was the process. Keep learning, and bye bye. Take care. That was all for this tutorial. Thanks.